Welcome back to my mixology channel, and today we're going to prepare some nice refreshing yellow bird for you today. Okay, I'm going to demo it, so let's get right into it, right here, right now. So what we got here, right here, we got our mixing glass. So we're going to go right ahead, we're going to get our Rhea Neville 80 proof, and we're going to put 1 ounce inside, just like this in our glass. And we're going to go back and we're going to put 1 ounce of Bacardi dark inside. Remember, it's a yellow bird, so we got some creme de banana. If you have Galliano liqueur, it's the same thing. Alrighty? And we're going to go right here, right now, we're going to put 1.5 ounce of OJ, orange juice. Nice refreshing stuff. Just like this inside, okay? Then we're gonna go right here, we're gonna put our lime juice, freshly squeezed, 100% organic. 1 ounce of lime juice inside. Okay? Just like that. And now we're gonna put our ice. And then we're gonna go right here, right now, we're gonna shake it up, alright? Gonna shake it. We're gonna go right here, we're gonna take our glass, right here, and then we're gonna put our ice, just like this on the glass. What we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it off right like, just like this inside. Right. Some more ice inside. And what we do right now at the end, we just put some more orange juice, just float it just like this on top. And we go right ahead and we get our dark rum. Okay? And we just float it, just a little bit of dark rum. It's a yellow bird. Gonna give it some flair, okay? That's what it is, yellow bird. You see that? Beautiful. Alright? I'm gonna go get our garnish. Beautiful garnish, it's a yellow bird. All the way from the Caribbean, tropical stuff, and there we have it, our nice, beautiful, sexy yellow bird. Do enjoy. Guys, please visit me on my channel, Mixology 640. Dean, I'm out. Catch you on the next video.